How to create looping animations using keyframes in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the clip or image you want to animate. Then drag it onto the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and search for the transform related effects like transform, which supports keyframe based animation. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now go to the effects stack and click the stopwatch icon next to the properties you want to animate, such as position, size, scale, align, or rotation. This will enable keyframes. Set your first keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Then move a few seconds forward and set another keyframe with a changed value, such as a different position or scale. To create a looping effect, click on the three horizontal lines in the effect stack and from the drop-down menu, select Copy all keyframes to clipboard. Then place the playhead where you want the loop to continue and click on the paste icon next to the three horizontal lines. This will paste the same keyframes, creating a smooth looping animation. Make sure the last keyframes matches the first one to ensure the animation loops seamlessly. Play back your video to preview the loop. Adjust the spacing and values of the keyframes as needed for a smoother or faster animation based on your desired look. Now you know how to create looping animations using keyframes in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.